Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Interior Trends, where I bring you creative ideas to enhance your living spaces with the holy month of Ramadan approaching. It's time to transform your home into a warm and welcoming heaven. Today we will explore some exquisite Ramadan home decor ideas that will not only add a touch of elegance but also creates a spiritually uplifting atmosphere. Let's dive in. Before we start decorating, let's clear the space and create a blank canvas. Begin by decluttering and organizing your home. A clutter free environment sets the foundation for a tranquil and peaceful atmosphere during Ramadan. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Option for soft, warm lights such as fairy lights, lanterns, or candles. These not only create a cozy ambience but also symbolize the spiritual enlightened movement associated with Ramzan. Transform your walls into a piece of art that resonates with the spirit of Ramadan. Consider hanging calligraphy and Islamic art that reflect the beauty of the month. You can also create a beautiful Ramadan corner with framed verses from the Quran. Elevate your dining experience with a luxurious Ramadan table setting. Use elegant tableware, placemats, and napkins, and a centerpiece featuring candles and fresh flowers for a touch of sophistication. This not only enhances your iftar experience but also makes your dining area visually appealing. Incorporate the iconic Ramadan crescents into your decor, whether it's in form of wall decals, hanging ornaments, or tabletop figurines. The crescents symbolize the beginning of the holy month and add a distinctive touch to your home. Create a dedicated prayer space that fosters a sense of serenity. Place a beautiful prayers rug, add soft cushions, and decorate the area with jeweled colors. This space will serve as a constant reminder to engage in spiritual reflection during this blessing month. Enhances the sensory experience by introducing Ramadan scented candles. Option for fragrances like oud, amber, and jasmine to fill your home with a soothing and inviting aroma. These candles not only add a luxurious touch but also contributes to a calming atmosphere. Get creative with some do it yourself Ramzan craft. Involves your family in making personalized decorations such as handmade lanterns, paper crescents, or even a Ramadan countdown calendars. These crafts not only add a personal touch but also create lasting memories for your family. As we conclude, remember that Ramzan is not just about decorating our homes but also about fostering a sense of inner peace and spiritual connection. By incorporating these decor ideas, we aim to create an environment that enhances our Ramzan experience. Thank you for joining me on Interior Trends. Wishing you a blessed and joyful Ramzan. Take care. Allah Hafiz.